In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bills in Zoho Books. Whether you're running a small business or managing finances for a larger organization, knowing how to efficiently create and manage your bills in Zoho Books is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, you need to access the Bills section within your Zoho Books account. Begin by logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see an option labeled Purchases. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Bills. This will lead you to a comprehensive overview of your billing activities. If you're looking to create a new bill, simply click on the plus new button or the plus icon. Both options will initiate the bill creation process. Now, it's time to enter your bill details. The first thing you'll want to do is choose a vendor. You'll find a handy drop-down list that lets you select an existing vendor. If the vendor you're working with isn't in your list yet, not to worry. You have the option to add a new one right here. Moving on, make sure to enter the bill number and the bill date correctly. For the payment aspect, you can manually select a due date or opt for payment terms that automatically calculate the due date for you. This feature can greatly streamline your process, especially if you deal with many bills. Next, it's essential to add the items you're being billed for. This includes specifics such as the quantity and rate of each item. Zoho Books also allows you to input items in bulk, which is a great time saver when handling large orders. Don't forget to add any applicable taxes or discounts, or even a reference to an order number if that's pertinent to your bill. Once your bill details are squared away, consider adding notes and attachments. Business notes can provide context for future reference or for internal communication, while attachments can include a scanned copy of the vendor's invoice, ensuring all documents are kept in one place. To attach a file, locate the Attach File option and follow the prompts to upload your document. Finally, saving your bill is the last step of the process. You have a couple of options here. If you're still working on the bill and anticipate making more changes, click on Save as Draft. This allows you to keep the bill accessible for future edits. However, if you've reviewed everything and are ready to finalize, select Save as Open. This action records the bill immediately and ensures that it's reflected in your reports, keeping your financial documentation up to date. And there you have it. Creating bills in Zoho Books can be straightforward and efficient with these steps. Feel free to pause and replay this video as needed while you navigate through your billing tasks. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.